So here we got the iRobot 560 model. It is used and it works great, and the battery lasts like 55 minutes. It has been cleaned and disinfected. And so basically I'll start with some paperwork. Here we got some quick start guide, some other paperwork with the 15% off coupon here. Alright, I've got the brand new side brush here, 6-legged side brush. Also got 3 filters, brand new filters in the package. Also a guide how to install new filters. I also got one of my videos also shows you how to replace filters and some other components if needed. So I got the power supply charger right here in great shape. 2 virtual wall lighthouses also in great shape. So this comes as a complete package here. I also got the docking station, home base. It has some scuffs in there, a little scratch there. For more details, you can take a look at the pictures. If you have any questions, please let me know. And here we got the Roomba itself. So the faceplate got a little bit of scratches there, small ones. It's normal use. Alright, I'll show you all the way around right here. The bumper area. Alright, flip her over. So here you get a very good condition 3-legged side brush. Also in great shape, a front wheel caster. So here we got the brushes here, also almost like new, in great shape, great condition. We'll have plenty of use out of these. And also the vacuum bin has been cleaned out, disinfected. Look at the pictures for more details. So here's a serial number. Alright, I'll show you that it works. So just press clean. So it works great and lasts you guys for a while. Alright, so thanks for watching. Enjoy.